Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. So today I will do a first impression kind of video on this liquid eyeshadow. This is from Wet n Wild and I just got it and I was about to use it for filming a video. Then I thought why not to just do it in front of camera so that you guys also can see a eye look that I'm gonna create by using this. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So this is how it looks, guys. This is as I said, liquid eyeshadow by Wet n Wild, and the color looks gorgeous. I'll just try to show it to you. um, that's the applicator that you get along with this, and this is pretty easy to use on directly, on your eyelids, or you can just take it on your hand and use any kind of eyeshadow brush. So I'll just try to swatch it here because I oh wow. So this is how it looks. It looks gorgeous, and yeah, that's the color. I have the shade Shells and Whistles. Now they have 4 shades in this. There's one more this kind of color, like coppery bronzy color. So this is a lighter and warmer color, but that will be more coppery. And there are 2 other colors which are green and gunmetal kind of. So I have chosen this because I thought the warmer colors will show off more on my kind of eyelids. So I thought let me try this first, and if I like, I can go for other shades, whatever, if I like the formula. So formula is basically important because this is liquid eyeshadow. So this retails for 499 rupees, and you get 3.5 ml of product. Texture wise, when I just used it now on my hand, it's so smooth, it's so nice and creamy, and the pigmentation is superb because in one swipe you're gonna get this kind of pigmentation. So pigmentation wise, it's really nice. Now it's been a long time this is sitting on my hand, so now I'm gonna really see, just rub my hand and see whether it's like transferable, so that we will actually come to know. Okay, it's bit transferable, so it comes on your hand. So I think if you rub your eyes, it will just fade away, but still the intensity is there. So it's not moving or budging completely, it's just taking off the upper layer or the upper shimmer of this. So if you rub your eyes, yes, it will just start fading away. I'm going to use it for the first time, so I really don't know about its actual staying power because I have not tested it, but I feel it will last for 4 to 5 hours, and because the pigmentation looks so opaque and so strong, I don't think it will fade away like the powder eyeshadow. It will be still there and visible. I'm really excited to try this on my eyelid, so we're gonna see the demo soon. What I can do is I will update the description box sometime later whenever I test it out. I feel you can use it as it is, just this eyeshadow, or you can combine it with powder eyeshadow the way I'm going to do it today. So guys, let's just try it and see how it works. Find my eyes, I'm going to use this kind of can you see this color? I'm going to use that color on my crease, and I'm using this brush. This is a PAC 393 brush. It's a big fluffy blending brush. Okay, now that I have some definition going on, I will use this liquid eyeshadow directly on my eyelid because anyway I'm going to use this alone, so I don't mind using it directly. But if you are sharing with anyone, or if you are going to use it on your customers, or whatever it is, then you can just take it on your hand and use the eyeshadow brush. So let's just try this now because I'm really excited how it's gonna look. So I'll just take one mirror and then we can just start because I need a closer mirror now. This is how it looks, guys. It's still wet, so I'm not going to blink my eyes more, even though it's not transferring, because I did that, but I used it completely till here. What you can do is you can also use here a darker eyeshadow, but I just wanted to completely use it and see how it looks, throughout the eyelid, and it looks nice. So let me apply on this eyelid. So far I'm liking it, and the color is gorgeous too. So now what happened is, this side the product was more on the applicator, so here it's looking like it's foiled up, or here it's looking more subtle. So I wanted this kind of look rather than this, but now as this is more intense, I'm gonna intensify this side too, otherwise it's gonna look weird. So you just have to be careful about the liquid eyeshadow in that way, that you don't know how much product is going to come and how it's going to sit. So that's the only tricky part, I feel. So now it looks quite okay on both the sides. Now what I'm gonna do is wait for some time so that it will dry completely, because you can't just go ahead like that and just try to use the fluffy eyeshadow and blend it, because this is liquid eyeshadow. You have to give it some time and then take the crease color and try to blend it. This will not get completely merged into your powder eyeshadow at the crease level, I feel, because still there will be a line. Even if you try to do more blending, I feel the intensity of the liquid eyeshadow will go. So I feel that's okay. It's not looking that weird. I will try to smudge it more, or blend it more at the crease level to just fade away the dark line. Don't just blend too much. I know the line is still there, but that's okay. This is a liquid eyeshadow. So overall it's a nice eyeshadow. It's not making so much of mess when you apply. Otherwise I thought that it will go here and there, but it's nice. What I feel is a downside, that this is a bit costly for one color, even if you get so much of color quantity, but still even if they could have given a half quantity and with the half price or something like that, it could have been more affordable, and this one color will last me so long. But still I feel price could have been better. So that's all about the first impression of this product, and I will see you in my next video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Like and share my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.